a set of steps which repeat a specific number of times. Forever loop. It keeps repeating again and again, without stopping. Repeat until loop. Sets of a certain when certain condition became true. When certain condition became true.
Or more simplify problem. Therefore, its solution
A forever loop keep the game running all the time. A repeating loop might make a character jump 3 times. A repeat until loop might keep checking when the player reaches the finish line. If condition if what it does, it take the condition of itself.